Let's make a new sandbox. So from the dashboard, I'll click on All Courses, then create a sandbox. Now, if I'm having a trouble or I'm getting an error creating a sandbox, try to make a sandbox in one of the different instances. But for me, the Clark County School District instance works. Call this anything you want. Let's call this Canvas LMS. Click Add Sandbox. Now let's go to Commons to import the Mastery Paths module. I can do that by clicking on Import from Commons directly from this homepage view. Leave the filters on, and we'll type in Mastery Paths module, and it should be the first one listed here, the one that looks just like this. Go ahead and open that up. Then we'll click Import Download, and then this is a matter of finding that sandbox that you just created. Here's the one that I just made. Import into course. Might take a moment or so for the process to finish. Let's head over to that sandbox again. You can find that on our dashboard underneath the unpublished courses. Should be all the way at the very bottom. There it is. And now I have the Mastery Paths module in my new sandbox.